Hi guys, welcome back to Chalosoft system. Today I want us to talk about the requisition, and a requisition is a document or a process used to request items or services. It can be used by procurement asking the purchasing department to buy something. It can also be used by human resource requesting to hire a new employee or store manager or stock control manager requesting items from the store. Let's go to the system and see how we'll do it in the system. Now, this is where the material requisition or requisition is. And to make a requisition, you need to come here. You need to come here and to this point, select a supplier or you can add new supplier, but now let's select from the supplier since we have added suppliers from the last video. We now know how to add a new supplier. So in our case, we can add a new supplier like neighbors. Let's look for neighbors. We can add a new supplier as neighbors, and neighbors. Where is neighbors? Neighbors supermarket. Uh, you can see the information on neighbors supermarket. Once you select the supplier, you come here and the type the item you want to request. We can say bread. You enter the quantity. We can say we are going to order 5 of them. You will put the amount. This amount can be different with the one that will be on the invoice or the receipt. This is just an order. You want to say you want this certain item. So you input the price. You can see there is the total. After entering the price, you add to grid. You can add another item. Let's say kilo mix. You want the quantities you want. Let's say 10. You can adjust the price. You can adjust the price like that. Then you want to grid. You can add another item like cumin seeds, cumin seed big pieces. You can add your quantities here. You can also adjust the price, then add to grid. You can add as many as possible. You can add as many items as possible. In the case that you have noticed that you have added a wrong item or wrong quantity, you can come here and select the item and click remove from the grid. Once you click here, you can see I've removed my item from the grid. In case you want to adjust, you can rethink that you had to order the pillow mix, a total of 5 or 2 pieces. So we can say pillow mix, we change to 2 pieces. Then you can adjust also the price so that it can read the correct price. Then you add to grid. After adding to grid, let's say you you don't want all this. So you can also remove all of them, leave with bread and save. Let's say you have checked on your store and you have seen you have flour mix, you have cumin seeds, then you just want bread only. You want five pieces. After adding the bread, you can come here and save. You can come here and save. You can see I have saved it successfully. So that's how to add or to make a requisition in the system. In case you don't want what or you change or you or there are items that you have ordered, you find that you are not supposed to order, so you want to delete it. So you come here to requisition, you click get data, you can select the date when you added your item. You come here and select the item. You can select it from that head, then you delete from this end. You delete here. Once you click here, you will have deleted your item. In the case you want to edit, let's say you wanted two breads and you find that you had ordered or you had made a request for five pieces to be purchased. You can come here, click this one, remove from the grid, add the item again. You add the item again, you add it to grid, then you update. You click update, and that way you will have updated your requests or your requisition, your order requests, and that way that's how to make requests or requisition. In case you have your or your manager has requested you to share what you have made the request for, you can come here. You can come here to the requisition. You click get data. You come here. You can select the date. If it was yesterday, you can select the date for yesterday. You click get data. You can come and select the items. Then you click print. After clicking print, you can see the items. Then you click on this end. You export. You can share in two ways. You can export here to your computer and save whatever you want. You can save in any form. You can save as PDF, as crystal report, as an Excel, as a Word. You can save in many uh, forms. Then you come here and type the the name you want to name that requisition. After typing, you click save. That's one way you can share what you have made request for or what you have requested to be purchased. In another way, you can just come here and click this enter email ID. So you can enter email ID here. Like you can enter email for, let's enter this one for mine, for my company. And that way, yes, you can enter it like that, then click send email. That way, you will have shared this information. in form of PDF. That is, in this way, will be in form of PDF. And that way, you will have made your request. We have you can update, you can delete, you can export to your computer or direct to the uh, manager. So that way, that's how to make a request or requisition on system. Yes. Uh, Before we continue, I want to remind you to subscribe, share, comment so that you can continue receiving updates on Chalosoft system. Hope you have got how to manage a requisition, how to edit, how to export, how to delete. That's what requisition comprises. I think that's good. Bye.